rest, putting his faith unto the test. Without faith we come unto thee. Jesus said, come, so Peter went. But when the faith he had was spent, Peter sunk low, but Jesus had waves roll under his feet. Oh yes, under his feet. Oh, under his feet. That we face, he cannot be. And whenever we've waded out too far in waters too deep, just remember when waves are over